We've got some iceberg, dirt cheap. Iceberg is the king lettuce, you guys.
I love iceberg.
I love all the foofy stuff too, but iceberg is so delicious.
And it's so cheap because everybody buys the longer words.
Yes,
the longer
and then
word
it's slimy in like 3 minutes.
Right.
I don't got that kind of time. I need something to last for me in the fridge. And a head of cabbage is gonna last a while, you guys.
Yeah.
So we have our knockoff teriyaki spot dressing. You can find the recipe online.
Gotcha.
So we're pretending that it's coming out, and it's really we're just gonna, boom.
And there you go.
Here we go. No, Mama don't need no help. And we're gonna shake him around. Here, let me borrow this.
Yeah. Wait, here, tongs.
Oh, you got tongs? Oh,
it's a kitchen.
I know.
Do I have tongs?
I was like, we're pretending, and watch me mix.
By the way, guess who makes these tongs?
You do.
This girl.
Go get some. Okay. This is my favorite. Oh, this is another splurge item, you guys. On payday, buy garlic, buy sesame seeds. This might be like $6. I know it's a highbrow item, but this is gonna last you again like a year. I've had the same sesame seeds for like a year. So boom, so sesame seeds add some funk and flavor. So there.
You want that underneath, on top? What?
Yeah,
you want this in this?
On the side. Let's go for it.
You want this in this?
Yeah.
All right.
Whatever you got. And then this is my favorite part, the salad. You know how you go to a Mexican restaurant or teriyaki spot? It's so delicious.